Creativecrambo back with another one. Yeah, so I've had a massive clean up today. I've drained down all my tanks, cleaned all my filter plus. I'm doing a bit of pump maintenance now as well. Took my pump out here for my skimmer there, but as I took it out, it all snapped off. Now what you find is when your pipes are in the water, they lose their flexibility, so they go really stiff. And I brought it out, I sort of tried to bend it over, too stiff, and just broke off. So yeah, got to repair that. That's okay. But also now when I'm cleaning, I want to get that green all off in the corner there. Any bits of green I can see, I'll try and get off there now. All because I've drained my tanks down and I'm literally doing about a 20% water change, which has worked out perfect for the draining down. So while I'm doing all this, I will clean them bits off, fix that to my skimmer, and then also that goes to my spitter. So let's get that done. I'll use a bit of pond water, like, you know. Like I say, I've just cleaned all my filters out, so just want to get that bit of green off. I've got a scrubbing brush as well. Something you just can't avoid when you've got water running all the time. Just want to try and make it a little bit more presentable. I will paint these probably next year sometime, but for now just got to give them a good clean off. Yeah, me fish are down there thinking what the hell's going off, what's this guy doing now? But everything I do for the pond only benefits the fish. And the old saying is, a clean pond is a happy pond. Not really too worried about all that going into the pond, really, to be fair. I've got a great filter system going on. I'll catch all that in there. I've got a great pump down there. Directly down there is my pump to my filters. That feeds the waterfall. Feeds me venturi over there. I just want to get a little bit of this green off. Drop a good little clean up. Yeah, I know I'm hovering over the pond here, but I've done this so many times. It's just really easy. It's only algae. That's looking loads better already. Been down to do that. Always get them cobwebs down that side as well. Give the blade a nice clean off. I know for a fact when I'm cleaning, the fish always go to the bottom of the water. Less stress down there. Oh, good. Right, that's a load better. Loads better. Yeah, so I'm going to try and fix this pump now. And to be honest with you, them things there, when they get really hard, they're really hard to get off. Or I'll find if you grab an end and try and curl it round so it curls round like that, and then all you got to do is get the rest of that off. Yeah, where they're so stiff. Obviously that's barbed as well, so it's not gonna pull off. Mind your fingers when you're doing things like this. I normally try and get an edge. Get your scissors underneath if you can, or probably the knife would be better. I might try the screwdriver. You know, just get underneath. Try and tear it apart. They really are quite hard to get off when they've been stuck on there for so long. Try and get that edge off there. And get an edge started. Exactly, this is how long it normally takes. There you go. So now all I've got to do is try and get that on there, but where it's so cold and brittle, look, there's actually no bend in that now. What I'll try and do is I'll try and heat this up. Let's put the bracket on there first. Before I do that, there you go. And then all I'll do is I'll heat this up. It'll just give it a bit more flexibility. You ain't got to go too close to it. Just warm that up a little bit. Just give it a little bit of movement. And then try and get that on there. Oh, sometimes it's really hard. You gotta feed that on. Like that. Oh, I think I got it. Oh, yes. Oh, that was lucky. I don't normally work that good first time, but that was alright. Get your clip on. Give that a tighten up. And then what I'll do, I'll put this pump back together, and then I can put my skimmer back in place. Like I said, I will do a video of how I'll do a step-by-step guide of actually how I built it, but then what works for me. Give that a proper tighten up there, only because I normally clean this out every single week. That's pretty good. Okay, now let me try and put the pump back in place. So, okay, wire around there. Let's get that in there. That fits in there like that. Comes over. Yep, I think that's right. Right there, let's have a look at that. Sits down like that, that's it. I give the pump a proper good clean as well, and done that for a couple of months now. And then all I do is drop that back in the water. So drop back in there like that. That's my coil spitter. That sits on my box. Alright, she's not floating properly now because I need to top all this water up. But just doing the cleaning at the moment. But I'll show you the media I'm going to put in there. So on the bottom, I've made this up, and that acts like a reservoir, and the water will just sit underneath there, and the filter's on the top, and it don't clog up anything coming down through to the pump. So I lie that in the bottom, and then I got my filter, my DIY filter. I put some floss in there first. Like that. My green open netting. I'll put that in there like that. And another one. All made to measure. Really effective. Works really well. Then all I got is these marble stones. I've dot these about like that. There you go. On a couple of corners, and then just keeps it all like there in place. Then I'll screw the box down. In fact, when I do make my new one, I'm going to make this hole here a little bit less. I mean, the water comes in that point, but I don't need that hole to be that big. I mean, the fish might get in there. I've been lucky enough that they haven't, so I will make that a bit smaller on the next one. I just screw the box on to the side of my pond. All that leaves me to do now is top this pond right up. I mean, I've done a 20% water change today with all my filters being cleaned out, so that will take a little while to fill back up. So all I do then is I put that on there. Oh, wrong way. There you go. That's my skimmer. That's connected to my spitter. I chuck that on there. Hide the pipes up with the plants. Yeah. That went okay, to be honest with you. Just going to get that little bit there. You can just see that. There's a bit of green over there. So yeah, just done a bit of a proper clean out today. It's got to be done. By the 25th of this month anyway, the clocks go back, so that the days are going to be a lot shorter. We gain an hour, but the daylight will be going soon, so try and make the most of it. Let me just get that bit there. I'd like to say thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Hit them notifications. And I'll see you in the next one.